Did you know that your brain eats parts of itself every single day? It sounds like something straight out of a horror movie, doesn't it? But believe it or not, this is a real and incredibly important process happening inside your head right now. Today, we're going to uncover how our brain eats itself and why this bizarre act is crucial for keeping us sharp and alive. This fascinating process has a scientific name: phagocytosis. The word comes from ancient Greek, where phagion means to eat and kaitos means cell, so literally cell eating. A Russian scientist named Ilya Mechnikov first noticed this back in 1883. He saw that certain cells in our body were constantly hunting down and consuming dead or damaged cells, like a tiny invisible war was being waged within us. He called this phagocytosis, the body's own internal cleanup crew. Think about it like this. Your city has cleaners to keep the streets tidy and police to handle threats. Well, your body has special cells that do both jobs at the same time. These are the phagocytes. They act as microscopic patrols, constantly moving through your system. Whenever they find an invader like a germ or a dead or damaged cell, they spring into action. They surround the target, almost like an octopus wrapping its tentacles around its prey, and pull it inside into a little bag called a phagosome. But the job isn't done yet. The next step involves another sac called a lysosome, which is filled with powerful enzymes. Think of it as a tiny stomach. The lysosome fuses with the phagosome, releasing its contents and completely dissolving the unwanted material, keeping your body clean and safe. This is how your body defends itself against millions of germs and clears out cellular debris every single day. It's a relentless, microscopic battle for your health. Now, here's where it gets truly amazing. Your brain does the exact same thing. Our brain has its own specialized team of phagocytes called microglia. But their main job isn't just to fight germs, it's to upgrade the brain itself. You see, our brain is a complex network of billions of connections called synapses. These connections are the physical basis for our thoughts, our memories, and our ability to learn. However, not all of these connections are useful forever. Just like a garden that needs pruning, some synapses become weak, unnecessary, or redundant over time. If they're left to clutter up the network, they can actually slow down the brain's performance. This is where the microglia, our brain's eating cells, come in. They identify these weak or unused connections and, well, they eat them. This process is called synaptic pruning. Imagine your desk is piled high with old papers, forgotten books, and random junk. It's impossible to find space to work on something new, right? What do? You clean it up and get rid of the clutter. That's precisely what your brain is doing. By pruning away unnecessary connections, the microglia make room for new, stronger pathways to form. This allows us to learn new things, create new memories, and think more efficiently. As a result, we can process information faster and remember things better. In essence, our brain eating itself is actually our brain upgrading itself. So now you know the incredible truth. Your brain eats a little bit of itself every day, but it's not self-destruction. It's a vital process of refinement and optimization that makes you smarter, more efficient, and better prepared to face life's challenges. As scientists say, the brain is never static. It's constantly changing, growing, and purifying itself. So the next time you forget a trivial detail, don't worry. Maybe it is just your brain deleting old files to make room for something new and exciting. If you learned something amazing today, please hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and definitely subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and remember, knowledge has the power to change the future. Keep learning, stay curious, and let's explore the wonders of the world together.